Do you have an old denim jacket kicking around that you haven't worn in ages? Well, today I'm going to show you a super cool way to upcycle your jacket with machine embroidery stitches and some transparent mesh. Before you start, you'll need some nylon or polyester tulle. This material has a fine mesh pattern that you can see through and will be the base for our embroidery stitches. You can get creative and choose any color you like. However, I'll be using black. Next, you'll need to decide where you want your embroidered mesh panel to be located on the jacket. I'm going to replace the upper back portion of the jacket. Keep in mind, you can cut out multiple different sections of the jacket and replace it with beautiful hand or machine embroidery. Consider replacing the entire back side, shoulders, or sleeves. If necessary, trace the outline of the panel you'll be cutting out of your jacket. Trim your tool to the size of the section you want to replace, plus an extra 3 to 4 inches. I will use a sticky wash-away stabilizer to hoop a single layer of tulle to give a firm backing to the stitches. Hoop the stabilizer paper side up. Then score an X in the center and around the edges with the point of a pin. Peel the paper away to reveal the sticky stabilizer. Now, lay a single layer of tulle on the hoop, then press the tulle onto the sticky stabilizer. I will be using Silco as my thread. Silco is a 30-weight 100% lint-free cotton. I love the matte shine this thread has, and the slightly heavier cotton thread will give my embroidery design a hand-stitched look. For this piece, I embroidered one design, then mirrored it to embroider the other side. Once the design is complete, I will cut away most of the stabilizer, taking care not to cut my tulle. Then gently wash away the remainder of the stabilizer. Now it's time to attach my tulle to the jacket. Cut out the panel on your jacket, being careful not to cut through the stitching on the yoke or any seams holding the jacket together. I will layer this piece with a second piece of tulle for strength before attaching it to my jacket. The thread I'll be using to sew the tulle on is this 80-weight cottonized polyester thread called Deco Bob. This is a very fine thread that will disappear into the fabric so it can't be seen. Because it's a polyester thread, it's still strong enough to firmly hold the material in place for daily wear. I will also be using this 12-weight long staple Egyptian cotton called Spaghetti. Spaghetti beautifully replicates the original jeans top stitching, so I will use this along my raw edges. Pin the tulle in place under the jacket. Then stitch along existing seams with Deco Bob, following beside the line of the original stitching. Next, switch to Spaghetti and stitch a single or double row of top stitching along the remaining raw edges. Make sure your embroidery panel is firmly stitched in place, then trim away the extra tulle from the underside. The final result? An incredibly unique, embellished piece for your wardrobe. This cool upcycled jacket can be embroidered with any design you like, so you can customize it for your own personal style. Let us know in the comment section below what video you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.